Model: 2019 Renault TRAFIC short wheelbase, diesel SL27 dCi 120 Sport Nav van body, grey, fridge mileage, 51,754 engine, 1,598 cc R9M DCI 120 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, air con, 2 keys, sat-nav, parking sensors, cruise control EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, 14,500